Welcome to this keyword. Access current object properties easily. Here is what we will learn. Let's get started. Why do we need this concept? When a method needs to access its own object's fields, naming conflicts can occur. How do objects refer to themselves? Parameter names hide instance variables. Methods cannot identify their object. Ambiguity between local and instance. This resolves ambiguity by referring to the current object instance. How is this keyword used in the real world? Constructor chaining. Call another constructor in same class. Method parameter names distinguish instance variables from return current object. Enable method chaining in builder page. This keyword powers all these applications. Let's see the problem it solves. So what happens without this keyword? Constructor parameters, shadowing instance variables. Look at how messy the code gets. Instance variables not set, parameter shadows field. Confusing assignment. There has to be a better way. Here comes the solution. This keyword. Look how clean the code is now. Avoids naming conflicts. Clear field access. Better code readability. Compare the difference. And that is why we use this keyword. Let's see how to implement this keyword in code. Here is the implementation. Define class. Create person class. Constructor parameter. Name parameter shadows field. Resolve ambiguity. This refers to instance field, access field. This references object's name. Now let's see the output of this code. Quiz time. Test your understanding. What does this refer to in Java? Which one is correct? The correct answer is this refers to the current object instance. What's the main use of this keyword? Which one is correct? The correct answer is resolves naming conflicts between parameters and fields. What does this code output? Which one is correct? The correct answer is this.x accesses instance variable x with value 10. Can this be used in static methods? Which one is correct? The correct answer is this cannot reference static context. No instance. Here's a challenge for you. What's the output? Comment your answer below. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.